So today's video I will be showing everyone how to tie gele, the plaits with the twist. For this video, what you need is obviously you need your hair tie, your gele, and you need some pins. Now you fold the gele into 2 equal parts, right? 2 equal parts, and then you make sure you press the middle. So press it down. Press that down, and you've got the the line, right? So you've got the line, and then you fold like so. The amount of plaits you want, right? Now for the twist, for the turban one, I said the middle goes like right in the middle of your head. But for this one, because this is the twist and we're gonna go twice on her head, like just gonna go once and then other side to come. So, well, in gele terms we would say it's 70-30. So the 70 goes on the hand you use. Now here we are, here's my middle. So that's gonna be, that's my 30, that's my 70, and my 70 goes on my left, right over my ears like so, and then I use my hand like that, and then let me try and come closer so we can see that. Okay, so there's my pleats, and then put it over my ears and across. So I kind of bring that right across under my chin, my neck right here, and try and make sure that doesn't go move too backwards. And like before, we follow the plaits. Hold that right, and you do a crisscross behind, and this comes right on the other side, and you hold it. Make sure your pleats are quite neat and tidy. You can do more than this if you want, you can do less if you want, and you can choose not to have any pleats at all. You know, it's different ways. So the 70, so you twist, and then you bring it over from the last plait. You bring it over, 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 bring it all the way to the back, and you knot your hair tie. Get your pins. That's how you achieve your gele, the plaits. Ooh, that came with a twist. And you're ready for your party. One bit, yeah. Hey, me back, one you share one.